What if you could predict and shape the future of work in your organization? This is the power of strategic HR leadership in today's rapidly evolving business landscape. Many organizations struggle to adapt to changing workforce dynamics, emerging technologies, and evolving employee expectations. This can lead to talent gaps, decreased competitiveness, and failure to achieve long-term business objectives. For aspiring HR leaders and people managers, the challenge lies in transitioning from operational HR roles to strategic leadership positions. This gap can result in missed opportunities to drive organizational change and create real business value through people management. This comprehensive masterclass is designed to bridge this gap, equipping participants with the strategic thinking, leadership skills, and future-focused perspective needed to excel as HR leaders. Learners will gain insights into emerging HR trends, develop skills in workforce planning and analytics, and learn strategies for driving organizational change. They'll also enhance their leadership capabilities and strategic decision-making skills. For organizations, the impact is transformative. They can expect more agile and future-ready HR practices, improved talent strategies, and better alignment of people management with business goals. This leads to increased innovation, improved adaptability to market changes, and sustainable business growth. On a personal and team level, participants evolve into visionary HR leaders. They develop a strategic mindset, enhance their influence within the organization, and often see accelerated career progression into senior HR and business leadership roles. Don't just react to the future of work, shape it. Enroll in this masterclass today and become the HR leader your organization needs to thrive in the new world of work.